Hey photographers, my name is Walid. In this video, I'm going to show you how 4 minutes a day is going to save your business, save your future, and actually not just save your business, double if not triple your business. It's a system that I developed and I've been using over the years. I'm going to give you guys a free gift at the end of this video, and I'll just give you the spoiler right now. You're going to get an instant download to the exact same daily planner sheet that I use every single day, and I've been using it for years. And as soon as I start using it, I notice my profits start doubling. I notice more people refer to me, and I also noticed that I enjoyed picking up the camera again, everything that I need to be a successful photographer. Here are 5 reasons why this worksheet is going to save your life, it's going to make your business, it's going to double your profits, and it's going to save you time. It's 4 minutes every single morning. You write this out, and that's your road plan for the day. Number 1, what it's going to do is keep your balance between personal and professional life. It's going to prioritize everything you need to do, and I don't have to speak for you. I can probably guess if you're on this video, you are probably looking for a balance that's going to put you in a better position. So balance is the first one. Number 2, it's going to teach you how to reach out to people. I reach out to 3 people every single day. I want you to do the same. This worksheet has a space for that. So when you reach out to 3 people every single day, you're not asking for a job every single time. You're asking about their life. You're asking about their dog. You're asking about how the home remodeling is going. You're asking about how their projects are going. You're telling them how your projects are going. What you're doing is you are humanizing your photography, you are humanizing yourself and your business. What that means is most people, most photographers are going to reach out to 3, 4 people a month. That's 36 or 48 people a year. It's okay. It's nothing great. It's nothing great, right? So if you were to reach out to 3 people every single day, just 5 days a week, that's 15 people that are hearing about you from you. 15 people a week, 60 a month, times 12, 700. I did a calculator earlier. 720 people a year are going to hear from you. You think that's not going to bring jobs to your table? You think that's not going to bring stronger relationships, referrals? Even if you don't reach out to 720 people, what if you repeat each one 2 to 3 times? That's going to put you leaps and bounds ahead of everybody else. Number 3, another secret to my success is that I've learned one thing every single day. One thing. Doesn't matter what it is. Doesn't have to be an extravagant lighting setup. Doesn't have to be an extravagant way to retouch the skin. It's just one thing that's going to put me ahead of my competition. So when I started, I was self-taught. Every day I learned something new about lighting, or about taxes for my business, or about marketing, or about how to email my clients, or about anything. So this worksheet is going to make sure that you learn one new thing every single day. So when you learn something new every single day, if you think about your competition, what are they learning, right? So in 1 month, you have learned 22, just weekdays, 22 new things. That's cool. They probably know more about photography than you do at 22 things. After 2 months, you know 44 new things that's going to advance your business. After 3 months, you know 66 new things. By now, you've surpassed your competition. That's what happened in my career. I actually learned one new thing every single day. It wasn't that complicated. Sometimes it was a tax code. Sometimes it was just a new way to use your tripod. Every single day you learn one new thing. That's what's going to make you blow right past your competition. This worksheet is going to have that for you. It's going to have a slot that I want you guys to fill in every single day what you learned. Now my rule was this: if I didn't learn something new, I couldn't go to bed. So that was my motivation. Some people are not that hard on themselves. I am, okay? So you got to figure out what works for you, but this daily sheet takes care of that. Number 4, here's where I failed when I first started my career. I worked nonstop. I barely slept. I got sick, but I was a lot younger, so I was a lot more robust, and I kept working hard, and I accomplished amazing things, but I got burnt out. And I realized a few years down the line, wait a minute, if I'm burnt out, there's no way I can make these clients happy. There's no way I can still travel around the world and take pictures. And so I realized that I have to balance things out. So I reinvented this worksheet and I made it even better. And now it includes physical health, it includes water intake, and it actually includes some meditation. It's important, just 3 minutes, close your eyes, think about what you're thankful for, have gratitude, and think about what makes you happy. Just teaches me to pause. So this sheet also has that. We take care of the mind, we take care of the body, we take care of the body systems, we take care of personal, we take care of professional, we take care of reach outs, we take care of learning one new thing every single day. We take care of taking notes on this page, having a theme for the day, and believe it or not, all of this fits on one sheet of paper that you're going to have access to at the end of this video as an instant download. And number 5, I already kind of discussed it. It's about keeping you focused. So all you need is your pen. You're like, okay, I did that. All right, cool. I reached out to this person. You write it. Cool. I learned this new thing. You take notes on it because it's about accountability. So when you realize, hey, work sucks right now. It's kind of slow. No one's hiring me. Flip back through your notebook that you keep these sheets of paper in. Have you been doing it? Because that's what happens to me. When I notice my business is slow, I also notice that about 30 days before that, the pages are empty. So I'm to blame for the failure, right? But I also know that when I'm so overwhelmed and I have to hire additional help because the work is so much, because the contracts keep coming in back to back to back. If I have time to remember, I flip back through those pages and the pages are full. So I'm not gaining anything from this, right? This is a free gift for you guys. From me, I want other photographers to do better. So definitely sign up for this free worksheet. So now let's do a quick review. You probably watched this video because you were looking for answers on how to do better in business. You probably are a little bit overwhelmed and you didn't know how to best do this. I'm glad you're here, and I've got a worksheet for you that is absolutely free, that's going to balance your personal and your professional, that's going to prioritize the things you need to do, have space for notes, that's going to take care of your education, your outreach, it's going to take care of your body, your mind, your spirituality, all of that. And I'm going to give it to you guys for free. So if you go to the link in the description of this video, I've got a free instant download for you. This is the exact same worksheet that I use every single day. So it's for free. I'm not asking anything for it. I want you guys to have it. I want you guys to be successful. I want you guys to use this. And if you're looking for a photo mentor that has already done what you want to do, if you're looking for somebody that's going to teach you how they did it, how you can save time and make more money as a photographer, as a videographer, please consider clicking subscribe to this channel. It's here or here. I will forever forget what side it's on. Click like, hit the bell, and if you guys have any questions, leave your questions in the comments. I read all my comments and I answer. All right, guys. So my name is Walid Azami. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to get your free daily worksheet from me. And I cannot wait to see how you guys use it and to hear about how you guys have increased your business. Cool. Thank you.